who cherish what the government is doing, we always appreciate him, because when you visit places like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and you, but you will admire all those
So
places.
guys, welcome to my channel. I am Fred Ukubiri. I am currently here in the Enerhen Junction area. You know, in the past I've do some video about this place, this construction work that is ongoing. So I'm here again to give you an update of what is currently happening in this area. So guys, just take a walk with me to see the level of work that is being done in this Enerhen Junction flyover. Because from what I'm saying, it shows that the work has gotten to about 85% completion. So thank you as you walk with me. Thank you.
So guys, welcome to my channel once more. I am currently in the Enerhen Junction area of Delta State, Warri, Effurun, to be precise. And I came to see the current state of this flyover bridge that they are doing in this area, and I discovered that a lot has happened in this area. From what I'm seeing here, show that the work has gotten to 85%. That means in no distant time, this work will be completed as the schedule. Even with my discussion with some of the staff of this place, show that as from the 19th of December, they will be going on the end of year holidays or vacation, and to resume either the first or second week of January 2026. And lo and behold, from what I saw here, show that a lot has happened. That means before the end of January or February, this place must have been tied, and there will be free vehicular movement in this any region that has been under construction since last year 2024. In fact, I've done a lot of videos about this place, but upon my recent visit to this place on the Wednesday, 3rd of December 2025, I observed that a lot has taken place within this short period. Now, I've done a video about this place before. That was about 3 weeks ago. And upon me coming back to this place, I found out that a lot has taken place in this area. So, guys, just take a look at what you are seeing in this area. This particular spot you are seeing now is only waiting for those drainage at the front. As soon as they are done with the drainages, that means the whole of this area will wear a new look. By putting asphalt, look at the this now, you see that there's already stone base. At least the first layer of the stone base have been put on this area. That's why you are seeing some water still carry that place, because the stone base has not gotten to the heights that is expected of this area. That is why you are seeing this water gathering this place. By the time they are done with those drainage you are seeing over there, that means they will take it to the expected heights. And this is the other side that you are heading towards Igudu Primary School, and subsequently the Deco Junction. This is the other side. From what you are seeing here, you show that this bridge has been tied already. I'm currently standing on the other side of the bridge. You see all these concrete pavement or pillar has been erected, and you see from yourself that the bridge itself has been tied from this angle. That means the work is almost completed at this junction. This is the other section where you have the Igbodo Primary School, and the other area where you have all those Enerhen Junction building and so on and so forth. So let's give a big shout out to the Delta State Governor, Honorable Sheriff Effurun-Warri, for this wonderful work that he has done in this area or this part of Delta State. because to some people, the Delta State government is spending money unnecessarily. But to us who cherish what the government is doing, we always appreciate it because when you visit places like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and Uyo, in fact, you will admire all those places. So when you are seeing similar thing in your area, you have to give a appreciation to the person that is making it possible. Then above all, we give God all the glory because He is the one that is giving an insight to the governor and his team to make this thing a reality in this our locality. Because if not for the fact that the governor and his team have this uh, ambition in their hearts, this thing would have been a reality. And there's nothing we can do about it as citizens of the state. Although and behold, we have seen a magnificent work taking place in this area. Look at this area, the workers are working assiduously to maybe they are trying to meet up with the target. Because from the discussion I had with them, they said even by the end of this December, the place will be motorable. So I'm only hoping that what they are saying will come to reality. Maybe I will still only come to this place by the end of the month to come and see the current status of this route, so that you guys can equally see. If not, from what the workers told me, they said by end of this December, this place will be motorable, and you can see it that all hands are on deck to make sure that everything about this Enerhen flyover come to reality. So, guys, just pass your comments at the comment section below and hit the notification bell for those of you who are coming across my video for the first time. And always remember to buy me coffee because to be moving around different parts of the country is not an easy task. But nevertheless, I give you thanks for watching my videos, and to those of you who are interested in my videos, always remember to share to others so that I can get more engagement on my channel. Because by so doing, my video will be recommended to others, and people will be watching my videos. So this is Enerhen Junction on the 3rd of December 2025. Just take a look at what you are seeing in this area. But the bridge is almost completed. In fact, everything about this place is almost completed. They're only waiting for time so that the place will be motorable and the commuters will be flying over as expected. Thank you for watching.
In the Enerhen Junction area, and I came to see the extent of what I've been doing in this Enerhen Junction area. I remember the last time I came, this place was not in this order. But as I speak now, a lot of changes have happened in this Enerhen Junction. That means before the end of February, this road has been completed for what I'm seeing at this moment. So guys, that is why I came this afternoon to come and show you what I'm seeing in this area. Even this area that we are now have been tied already. That means a lot has taken place. Apart from this other end where they are doing some drainages in those areas. So guys, thank you for watching this content with me. If you like this video, give my videos a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Fred Ukubiri is my name. See you in my next video.